I would like to invite Rami Al-Karmi from AnaMeen. Rami, the floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. Give me your cue, Melissa, to kick off.
Yes, let me just reset the timer and you're good to go.
Okay, hello, my name is Rami Al-Karmi, and I'm here to present AnaMeen, the first Arab AI and blockchain-powered KYC as a service platform, proudly built in Jordan by Ahli Fintech team. Quick snapshot. We're the first AI blockchain-powered KYC as a service platform, right after the second Arab KYC solution that is live, right after the UAE data sharing blockchain business KYC. We are spun off as Ahli Fintech from Ahli Bank. We were spun off back in 2017 with a paid-in capital of 2.14 million. We're the first Oracle blockchain global use case to move from the cloud to on-prem for data sovereignty, and we're the first regional Oracle blockchain eKYC implementation. We've been live in Jordan since March 2020, and we have 7 corporate partners that subscribe to our corporate offering, our corporate subscription model, AnaMeen World, the B2B portal. Collectively, our subscribed corporates have a total client base of around 5 million, so 50% of the Jordanian population. The problem that we're trying to tackle, and we started this with the main pain at Ahli Bank and then decided to kick this off as a platform, is of course the friction point within the onboarding process, basically creating this ripple within the customer experience, the fragmented financial inclusion efforts across government, telecoms, insurance, brokerages, and what have you, the current human-based KYC process being not secure, the redundancy of me having to run multiple KYC checks across many organizations, and of course the pressing need for low-touch solutions for as COVID-19 safe. We have our solution is 2 parts. AnaMeen, the mobile app, which is free, helps individuals verify and create their immutable digital ID, and AnaMeen World, where corporates subscribe to get access to the private blockchain KYC data after customer consent. The AnaMeen solution starts with you scanning your ID as an individual. Our deep learning AI verifies authenticities through MRZs, security features, and what have you. We capture, autofill the data via OCR and what have you, then ask you to upload your documents as proof of address. Then a handwritten ink signature is captured, followed by a request to kick off a video recorded verification. During this verification, our AI video matching takes place via AI, so our agent is there to facilitate. The engine actually runs multiple checks in the background in less than 0.2 seconds, so liveness, face matching, and what have you. Then the background check is done, AML compliance checks. Then we ask you to capture your signature again on camera, and the AI engine matches this along with your handwritten ink signature. Our verification team runs checks again. So we check and activate the digital ID, and then using blockchain, this is replicated, immutably secure, replicated across our AnaMeen nodes. Our AnaMeen World solution is simple to plug in. Our AnaMeen World solution is simple to plug in, and it's basically, Our AnaMeen World solution is super simple to plug in, and it helps you, you basically send a request via a KYC, a national ID, customer receives a notification, they authorize your access, and automatically you get this KYC access granted to you via GDPR compliance rules. This is our amazing team, including AI experts, legal, what have you. And our business model is simple. Our value proposition is one solution provided for customers, and AnaMeen World, one access for after consent, providing the solution to the corporates. Our business model is based on a subscription base for corporates, and so it's an annual subscription fee. And our technology stack is based on Hyperledger, Oracle Cloud, and Azure hosts the AI logic, if you may, completely Dockerized microarchitecture. Our target is to launch in 22 Arab countries by 2025. And our go-to-market strategy is based on having an operating partner in each country and helping us target the different sectors requiring KYC directly with lines of business and C-level executives, along with a subscription delivery model. The beauty of our marketing approach is a network of network effects. So our corporate partners join our platform and bring in their customers, which help benefit all of the customers that are subscribed. And with that, I thank you for...
Sorry, okay. I was gonna interrupt you. Sorry, Rami. Thank you so much. You finished on time. Thank you so much. Judges, the floor is yours.
Rami, one question here. So what you're saying is that you offer a digital identity solution plus the KYC.
Yes, a full platform. And we provide it, basically we create a digital identity for you as an individual. And then we have a layer, so it's blockchain backed, mutable. And then we have another layer that manages the access between corporates who would like to access this ID after customer consent.
And that customer can be an individual or a business.
Today we're live as customers. Hopefully, beginning of next year, we will be live with our business solution, yes.
And do you, at any point in time, look into the digital footprint of your customers?
We implemented zero knowledge. We can't.
Yeah. Okay.
The only thing I see is their mobile number and national ID.
That's brilliant. Okay, thank you very much. No more questions.
Question from me. So for the customers, onboarding is completely free, so the usage is free, and
yes.
Then your revenue derives from the corporate. Is that correct?
Correct, 100%.
But the customers then have to give consent for that data to feed into the corporates.
Even if the corporate is the main driver for the customer, so in the case of Zain, for example, the telco, they provide their client base, they push their client base through the experience to onboard on AnaMeen. Even if that took place, the customer has to provide consent again before Zain accesses their account.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other questions for Rami? All is good? All right. Thank you so much. Good luck, Rami.
Yes.
Thank you.
So I'm not going to keep you any longer. Let us start with announcing the winner. And the #1 winner, scoring the highest, obviously, is AnaMeen. So congratulations, Rami and the team. Looking forward to seeing you expanding across the region. Thank you very much for being here, and it was a pleasure being amongst you. Thank you.
Thank you, Naha. Rami, do you want to say a few words?
Of course, I can't. I have to say a few words. Thank you, Naha, for the announcement. Drum rolls was interesting. Thank you, Myrna, a lot, and Melissa for putting this together. And I would also like to thank my team currently available. Of course, we didn't bring the whole team on board. So I have 4 of them currently on board. So thank you, every one of you. And good luck to all the other teams. We really appreciate this ceremony now. And it's a sign of appreciation that will give us a huge boost to jump in towards 25 within 2025, having this alongside with Fintech Galaxy as a model across all the Arabic regions. I also would like to quickly announce something off the record. We will announce it next week. We will sign our first operator in Jordan. So we will be moving from being an IP and an operator provider at the same time. So we'll have our first operator in Jordan to worry about expanding in Jordan so we can focus on moving into the other countries. And we've covered all the requirements and whatever is needed to have that in place. So thanks a lot.